Assalamu alaikum friends. Assalamu alaikum viewers. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you are happy and well. So in today's video friends, I will show you beautiful button crafts ideas. So I hope you will enjoy my videos. So let's start today videos friends. First I use Reapers. Button flower art. Take colorful buttons, glue them in flower shape, trusting with green color. This look bright and beautiful. And friends, button heart card and friends, draw heart shape on paper, fill the shape with red buttons, glue them carefully. This is perfect for gifts. Button tree design and frames. Now use green button as leaves, glue them on branches. Just look nature and creative and frames. Frames. I hope you like my videos, so please subscribe to my YouTube channel, press the bell icon for more latest updates. So friends, Allah Hafiz. Thanks for watching my channel. Thanks for watching.